still afraid. I'm walking in your garden, knowing what you're dreaming of, past the copper statues of everyone you've ever loved. Lower down the bridge and let me in, will you? You'll never get to know me from within, will you? So you've been fighting demons. I promise I will break the spell. You don't need that armor, even though you wear it well. Lower down the bridge and let me in, will you? You'll never get to know me from within, will you? Lower down the bridge and let me in, will you? You'll never get to know me from within, will you?
That's definitely a pink job.
Yeah, anything Gary doesn't like is a pink job, isn't it? Turn the light on. We can just leave them like that till you're ready for them, flour in the beer.
I've already seasoned the flour, yeah? I've
That's
measured
it.
the flour.
You don't need an egg in it or anything.
No,
No, just flour. I brought eggs. Just flour and beer.
flour and beer. Flour, salt, sugar and
Hap, gin and key.
beer. So
So I'm putting all of this in here. Yeah?
put all that in the jug, yeah.
I hope the jug's big enough to do this in. This might take quite a lot of mixing. We might need.
And it might, I mean, yeah.
We might need a Gary mix as well.
And it might be that we need to put more beer in. That's just a starting measure.
How thick is it usually? Very easy to mix it.
Well, we could convert that from a pink job to a blue job if you like.
Yeah.
Sea bass fillets for our fish and chips. We picked up while we were in town today on a little walk. They look little, but then it's only a small saucepan on the barbecue, so
By the time they're covered in batter, they'll be plenty big enough, I should think. You've got plenty of chips to go with them.
oh gosh, we haven't we? Okay.
And mushy peas. I'm about to do.
Ah, fantastic. Mushy peas.
The plate, as you do like peas. There's not a huge amount in there. I might have put a bit too much butter, maybe.
Doubt it. I've seen James Martin's cookery programmes. That is not too much butter.
You need something to make it go all soggy, don't you?
That mint smells absolutely divine.
You don't want massive chunks of it though. So I need to
No.
try and get it quite
Whole
small.
van smells of it now.
It does, doesn't it? Hope that's not too much. They're going to be quite minty.
About a litre and about that much. Plus a bit for luck. Okay, so now we just need to...
You put the lid on.
Well, I only put the lid on for now because it keeps the heat in, so it warms up more quickly. That's good enough. Right, so these are as dry as we can get them. And I've got to be really careful that the oil doesn't overflow the pan.
Yes. What are you going to do about that if it does?
I shall lift it out if it starts to come up too much. I shall control the because we're going to reheat them after we've done the fish. So we'll pour those into there.
Mmm, look good.
Yeah, we'll let the oil heat up before we put the fish in. And then we'll put the chips back in for a few minutes to heat them up in a minute. So right, we'll give that a few minutes to heat up. Ready? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Local sea bass, fish and chips, cooked on the barbie, on the beach. Oh, how am I going to get that out?
Oh, that one's got a bit of extra
I know,
butter.
crispy bits over there as well. There we go. Bon appetit. Right, let's go and eat it before it gets cold.